I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those.
So I've told the story in the past about how Juno arrived at my house on June the 6th, 2017. At the time, the vet told me that they thought she was about 6 months old. So that would put her birth date December 6th. Since I gave her a military code as a name, I figured I might as well have another military date for her birthday. So I actually changed it to December 7th, Pearl Harbor Day. But either way, it's going to be a 2-day celebration of a... Very ladylike there, Juno. Very ladylike. So it'll be a 2-day celebration of jigsaw puzzles that are cat related. So let's do this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juno. Happy birthday to you. So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.